Well students, now move to the next method of expressing the concentration, that is the molarity. Molarity, it is defined as the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of the solution. It is defined as a number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of the solution, and it is denoted by capital M. And molarity, it is mathematically, it is equal to, according to the definition, number of moles of the solute divided by, as it is dissolved in 1 liter of the solution, it means divided by volume of the solution. And number of moles of solute and B is equal to given mass of the solute divided by molar mass. Given mass divided by molar mass. WB is used for the given mass and MB it is used for the molar mass of the solute. Now capital M, it is equal to number of moles, and the number of moles is equal to WB by MB. So put the value here, WB by MB divided by volume of the solution. Volume of the solution. As the volume of the solution is 1 liter of the solution, so multiply by 1000, which convert the volume in the liter. Now what is the unit of molarity? And the unit of the molarity is mole per liter, or we can say mole liter inverse, and commonly they are known as molar solution or capital M. It represents the molar solution. Okay. Now let's do a numerical. Calculate the molarity. Calculate the molarity of the solution which is prepared by adding 4 gram of NaOH in 500 ml of the solution. Okay, what we have to find out? Molarity. Calculate the molarity of the solution which is prepared by adding 4 gram of NaOH in 500 ml of the solution. Now, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the molarity. We have to calculate the molarity. And what is given to us? 4 gram of NaOH is dissolved in 500 ml of the solution. It means NaOH is dissolved. It means NaOH is a solute. So, WB, the mass of the solute is 4 gram as it is given in the statement. So, it is a given mass, and given mass is represented by WB, and it is dissolved in 500 ml of the solution. So the volume of the solution is 500 ml. Now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the molarity, and which is equal to, molarity is equal to WB by MB 1000 divided by volume of the solution. Okay. In this formula, we require WB, MB and the volume of the solution. And what is given to us? WB is given. Volume of the solution is also given. Now what is the value of MB? MB is the molecular mass of the solute, and molecular mass is calculated by adding the atomic masses of the element present in a compound. So MB is equal to the molecular atomic masses of the sodium, oxygen and the hydrogen atom. It is equal to the sum of the atomic mass of the sodium atom plus oxygen plus hydrogen. One atom of the sodium is there, one oxygen and one hydrogen atom is there. So what is the atomic mass of the sodium? It is 23, oxygen 16 and hydrogen 1, and it comes out to be 40 gram per mole. Okay. Now put the values in the formula. Now M is equal to 4 by 40, 1000 divided by 500. Now according to this, what is our answer? 0.5 M, or we can say that 0.5 mole liter inverse. Now I hope it is clear to all of you. What we have to calculate in this statement? Molarity. And what is the formula of the molarity? WB by MB, 1000 divided by volume of the solution. And in the statement, given mass of the solute is already given, volume is also given, and molecular mass of the solute is equal to the atomic masses of the element, or atomic masses of the elements present in the compound. So it is equal to 40 gram per mole. After that, put the values in the formula and we get our result, that is 0.5 molar. And one more thing, molarity. It is a temperature dependent quantity. It is a temperature dependent quantity. What does it mean? It means that it is a function of the temperature. It means if the temperature is changed, then molarity also change, because temperature affects the volume. So if volume is changed, then molarity also change. So it is a temperature dependent quantity.